Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Discord server. Click the Add a Server button at the bottom of your server list on the left side, which opens the Create Your Server modal with several template options. Click Create My Own to build a custom server from scratch. Then a Tell Us More About Your Server screen appears asking what kind of server you're creating. Click For a Club or Community, and the Customize Your Server modal opens along with a file picker where you can choose an icon for your server. Select an image from your computer and click Open. Your chosen image now appears as the server icon in the Customize window. In the server name field, clear the default name and type your new server name. For this example, I'm using Pixel Lounge. Click the Create button at the bottom of the modal, and your new server opens with a welcome screen showing the default channels Discord has set up. Click the #general channel in the left sidebar to open your first text channel, and now your server is ready for members to join. Your server icon should be square and at least 512 by 512 pixels for the best quality. You can change your server name and icon anytime by right-clicking the server name at the top of the channel list and selecting Server Settings. Discord automatically creates a general text channel and a general voice channel when you make a new server. You can rename these or add more channels by clicking the plus icon next to the text channels or voice channels headings. And that's how to create a Discord server. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.